Hi kiddos, let's learn colors with numbers. Number 1 is blue.
1, 2, 3, splashing in the
Number
sea.
2
4, 5, 6,
is
naughty
orange.
little chicks. 7 and 9,
Number 3
swinging on the
is
vine.
light
Here
green.
comes number
Number
10 and every
4
mother hen.
is
1,
red.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Number 5 is green.
1, 2,
Number 6
splashing in the
is
sea.
yellow.
4, 5, 6, naughty little
Number
chicks.
7
7
is
and
purple.
9, swinging on the vine.
Number 8
Comes
is
number 10,
light
every
blue.
mother hen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing!
Number 1 is light green.
1,
Number
2,
2
splashing in the
is
sea.
yellow.
4,
Number
5, 6,
3
naughty
is
little chicks.
green.
7 and 9,
Number
swinging on the
4
vine.
is
Here comes
red.
number 10, the angry mother hen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Number
6, 7,
5
8,
is
9,
light
10.
blue. Number 6 is gray. Number 7 is orange.